Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at question from Neco Junior Secondary 2022, Part 3, the entire theory question. We have two questions here with us. Please join me. If you're new here, consider subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Come with me as we solve these questions together. Thank you. Let's write down the solution here. Solution to 1A. Question 1A reads, solve the equation. We have the equation as 3x minus 5 divided by 10 equals to 8 plus 5x divided by 5. Okay? Since we have only equal sign that is separating the left hand side and the right hand side, we can cross multiply. Or we can find the LCM of 10 and 5 and multiply through by the LCM. That's another method, whichever way. But anytime we have only equal sign separating the left hand side and the right hand side, then we can cross multiply. So at this point, we can say cross multiply. We can cross multiply. Okay, it means 5 times the whole of this. That will be 5 into 3x minus 5. We close the bracket. This will be 10 times the whole of that will be 10 into 8 plus 5x. We close the bracket. The next thing is to clear the bracket. Clear the brackets. So the m is so that we can find x. Clear the bracket. So to clear the bracket, we multiply 5 by 3x. That will be 15x minus 5 times 5, 25. This will be equals to 10 times 8, 80 minus plus 10 times 5x, that will be 50x. So the next thing is to collect like times. Okay, so this will be 15x minus 50x will be equals to 80 plus 25, because when this minus move to the other side, it will become plus. When this plus move to the other side, it will become minus. What we're actually doing is we add 25 to both sides so that this 25 will leave the left hand side. Then we subtract plus 50x from both sides. We subtract so that we will go to the other side. Minus 15x minus 50x. That will be minus 35x. That will be equals to 80 plus 25. That will be 105. So we divide both sides by minus 35. Minus 35. X now will be equals to minus, we can say 5 in 35 is 7. 5 into 10 is 2. Then 5 into 5 is 1. So 7 here, 1. 7 into 21 is 3. So the answer will be minus 3. So the value of x in this first one is nothing but minus 3. Okay, let's move to 1b. Let's move to 1b. Let's clean this so that we can solve 1b. Okay, 1b, the question reads, express 342 in base 5 in binary. Binary means base 2. So we are converting from base 5 to base 2. So anytime you are converting from any other base rather than base 10, the first thing for you to do is to convert this to base 10 first. So since we are converting from base 5 to base 2, we can convert directly from base 5 to base 2. So let's write down the solution to 1b. So we have 3, 4, 2 in base 5. So the first thing for us to do is to convert this to base 10. That's the first step. Conversion from any other base to base 10 we can use either repeated multiplication or by expansion method. So let's use the expansion. Here will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is 3. This will be 3 times the base, which is 5 power 2. Next, plus 4 times the base, which is 5 power 1, plus 2 times the base, which is 5 power 0. Okay, so this is 3 times 5 power 2 means 5 times 5, not 5 times 2, please. When we have 5 power 2, it means 5 times 5, which is 25. So here will be 25, because this is 25, plus 4 times 5 power 1 is 5, plus 2 times 5 power 0. 5 power 0 means 1. From one of the laws of indices, 5 power 0 means 1. So here will be 1. 3 times 25. 3 times 25 is 75, plus 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 times 1 is 2. So let's add the 75 plus 20, that's 95. 95 plus 2, that will be 97 in base 10. This is now in base 10. So we have to convert this from base 10 now to base 2. Okay, and when we are converting from base 10 to any other base, we divide. Okay, so the next step now is to convert this to base 2. So we divide now this 97 by 2. Okay, so 2 into 9, 4, remainder 1. 2 into 17, it will enter 8, remainder 1. We write down the remainder here like this. Then 2 again, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 8 is 4, remainder 0. 2 again, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 12, remainder 2 into 4 rather is 2, remainder 0. So 2 again, 2 into 12 is 6, remainder 0. 2 again, 2 into 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 again, 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. Then 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. When we reach 0 here, we stopped. And we read our answer from bottom to top. Okay? So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Then 1. This is now in base 2. So it will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. So this is now in base 2. So this is the answer to 1P. Okay? Let's move to question number 2 now. Question 2. Let's move to question 2. Question 2 reads, we are asked to calculate the fourth angle of a quadrilateral whose other three angles are 52 degrees, 120 degrees, and 125 degrees. Let's write down the solution to 2A now. Quadrilateral are four-sided polygon. Four-sided polygon. And the sum of angles in a quadrilateral sum up to 360 degrees. So we are asked to calculate the fourth angle. We can say, let the fourth angle, since we don't know, let it be what? Let it be x. Let the fourth angle be x. So in other words, if we sum this plus x now, it will be 360. So we have x now plus 52 degree plus 120 degree plus 125 degree equals to 360 degree. Why are we equating to 360? Sum of angles in your quadrilateral must be sum of 360 degrees. So we can find x now, which is the center as the fourth angle. So x now plus, let's add this. Let's do the addition here. We have 120 degree, 125 degree, then 52 degree. Let's do the addition here. 0 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2, that will be 7. Then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So we have 297 degree. 297 degree equals to 360 degrees. So the next thing now is to collect like times. Collect the like times. Okay, these 297 and 360 are alike. So we have x now will be equals to 360 degree minus 297 degree. So let's do the subtraction here. 360 degree minus 297 degree. Okay, 0 take away 7 is not possible. We borrow 1 from 6. That will be 10 minus 7 is 3. We're left with 5. We borrow 1 from 3. That will be 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Then we are left with 2 here. So we have 66 degrees. So it means the fourth angle, which is our x now, is 63 degrees. So the fourth angle is 63 degrees. So that's the solution to 2a. Let's quickly move to 2b, which is the last part of this question. All right, I think I can clean here now. Yes, I can clean up to 2a so that I can have enough space. All right, question 2b. The table below shows the scores of students in a test. These are the scores of students. We have the scores here 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then we have the number of students, which is the same as frequency. How are we going to know that this frequency is not serially arranged? You have 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. It's not arranged in order. Okay, but if you check here, we have 21, 22 is well arranged. Okay, so let's write down the solution to 2b. The question, this is the table shows the scores of, this is the score of students. What is the modal score? The modal score is the same thing as the mode. Which number appear most? Which score appear most here? Most often or more frequency is 25. 25 appear 5. So the first question, the mode or the modal score, that's which score appear more, is 25. The modal score is what? The modal score is 25. Is 25 with the frequency of 5 now. Okay, that's number one. Number two, how many students took part in the test? Number of students. So we add, that will be 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. How many students took part in the test means you add the number of students. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. That's 15 students. It means 15 students took part in the test. The last question now, we are asked to find the median score. There are two ways we can find the median score. The fastest way, first of all, we check the summation of our students is 15, and 15 is odd number. So there's a formula we can use. So the median now, the median when summation f is an odd number is given as summation f plus 1 divided by 2 positions. So the position of this will give us the median. Sum your frequency plus 1 divided by 2 if it is odd number. If it is even number, it will just be summation f divided by 2. Okay, what is our summation f is 15. Summation f means when we sum the number of students. That will be 15 now plus 1 divided by 2 positions. Okay, so this is 15, that will be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. The 8th position will be the median. This is not the answer. This one tells you the position of the median. So we go back to the table now and add our frequency until we get exactly 8 or more than 8. So let's add now. 3 plus 2, 5 is not up to 8. Plus 1, 6 is not up to 8. Plus 4, that's 10, is more than 8 now. But this is why it falls. So here will be our answer. And we pick the one that is up, the number that is up here, which is 24. So the median is 24 now. The median is 24. It's not this 4 that we'll pick. It's not the frequency. It's the number that is above the frequency we'll pick as our median. So the median score is 24. Thank you for watching. Do share this to your learned colleagues.